Hidden deep inside classified robotics labs, a revolution in autonomous air combat was born.
Designed to fly alongside crewed fighters as an autonomous, loyal wingman.
Artificial intelligence calculates complex flight paths in milliseconds. Stealth composite materials swallow incoming enemy radar waves entirely. Internal weapons bays house precision-guided munitions. Free from ground infrastructure, the autonomous warrior ascends. Concealed engine intakes completely block radar reflection. Integrated electronic warfare pods jam hostile radar networks. Its low-profile design minimizes detection across multiple frequency bands. Next, we explore how autonomous swarms change modern air warfare. Real-time telemetry streams monitor system health without human delay. Rocket-assisted launch thrusts the drone instantly into the sky. Multispectral sensors provide continuous battlefield reconnaissance. Modular construction ensures rapid deployment and minimal maintenance. Encrypted satellite links maintain secure command channels anywhere. Engineered for high-G tactical maneuvers far beyond human limits. Swarm intelligence allows multiple drones to coordinate combat tactics autonomously. Thermal masking protects the drone from infrared threat tracking, overwhelming enemy defenses through sheer coordinated numbers. Autonomous formation flight reduces drag and extends operational range. Airframes are built to withstand extreme combat stress without a pilot. Containerized launch systems allow deployment from remote, unpaved locations. How can a fleet of low-cost drones overwhelm advanced enemy air defenses? Distributed swarm intelligence allows drones to share target data instantly. Modular payload bays adapt to diverse mission requirements instantly. Fuel-efficient turbofan propulsion enables long-endurance patrols. Advanced neural networks make split-second tactical decisions safely. Inverted V-tail configurations optimize stability and stealth profile. Redefining the economic and tactical equation of modern air power. Ascending rapidly into high-altitude patrol orbits. Manned-unmanned teaming extends the combat reach of human pilots. Secure cockpit data links allow pilots to issue commands instantly. Deploying from austere, unpaved locations without traditional airfields. Post-flight diagnostics verify structural readiness for immediate turnaround. Continuous health monitoring optimizes resource management across long missions. Hardened data links resist high-intensity electronic jamming. Operating at high altitudes to expand theater surveillance coverage. Acting as an expendable shield and sensor scout for stealth fighters. Autonomous threat evasion protects high-value assets from danger. Decentralized task distribution ensures the swarm fights effectively, even if nodes disconnect. Post-flight diagnostics verify structural readiness for immediate turnaround. Combining affordability with high-end combat capabilities. Advanced material science absorbs multi-band radar transmissions completely. Deploying from austere, unpaved locations without traditional airfields. Continuous health monitoring optimizes resource management across long missions. Operating at high altitudes to expand theater surveillance coverage. A new paradigm in tactical air power projection. Rigorous automated quality control ensures every airframe meets exact tactical specs. Driven by relentless innovation and autonomous engineering excellence. Attritable design philosophies enable cost-effective mass production. Projecting attritable combat power across global maritime theaters. Next, we explore production scalability and the future of attritable aircraft. Optimized propulsion systems balance high performance with low unit costs. How do you manufacture an entire fleet of high-performance stealth drones at a fraction of the cost? High-speed manufacturing, paving the path for the future of autonomous military aviation. High-speed climb capability matches the performance of crewed fighters. Encrypted swarm protocols secure multi-domain operations. Comprehensive electromagnetic testing guarantees total operational survivability. Rapid prototyping principles transformed aerospace design timelines. Automated pre-launch checks ensure flawless operational execution. The autonomous engineering milestones achieved here change defense history forever. Next, we explore the ultimate legacy of autonomous air power. The boundary line between experimental drones and core military fleets has vanished. Extended operational range expands mission possibilities into the night. Groundbreaking autonomous designs leave an indelible mark on military history. Archival flight records preserve the dawn of uncrewed combat supremacy. The relentless pursuit of autonomous perfection demands visionary engineering courage. The spirit of uncrewed innovation drives the future of defense. Artificial intelligence innovation pushes tactical horizons further than ever before. An ultimate masterpiece of uncrewed engineering and tactical design. Precision digital control ensures absolute tactical dominance. Operational excellence is sustained through strict digital precision. Even in severe weather, advanced stealth algorithms guide the path. Next-generation defense strategy requires total domain awareness. Prepared for any threat, autonomous systems execute complex missions flawlessly. The skies are never a final boundary. They are the beginning of autonomous possibilities. XQ-58A Valkyrie. the ultimate autonomous loyal wingman of the skies. Engineered for modern battlefields, built to master tomorrow's skies.